us start with the project moving on. Let me start with the small JavaScript project and I'm sharing the screen. Entire screen. Okay. Yeah. Let us see. We created some so taken from one of the resource, and this I want to explain. See, this is the index developer. This is speech to text reader. Okay, and we have the HTML page like this. Okay, I'll explain each line by line, and we are including a script. Okay, this is mainly just JavaScript, this written in JavaScript, and the script. This is script. This is what we are in the same level, so we are including directly. And in this library, this code user, the library and the class called speech synthesis utterance. Okay, I'll show you what it is also, and we return some normal CSS. Okay, I'll explain CSS also. This is a thing. Okay, yeah, let me explain. Yeah. See index.html, what we have container, okay, and this button, okay, here toggle ID, okay, main important this ID text box, and this close button, this close ID, this X, okay, and voice ID, and this ID text, okay, and read, okay, these and this main one, okay, this one. Now where is JavaScript? We are, let me show the project how it is. First, see if we run this text to reader, this is the front end we are seeing. What happens? You see, let us take about Krishna Devaraya. About Krishna Devaraya. About Krishna Devaraya. The king. Okay? Number. Okay? Let us copy this text. Copy this text and read it. Okay? Toggle. Okay? Take United States or in English. Okay? You can select the language. Okay? Any language or it's easy. Let us take United States. What is this? Okay? Now read the text.
Krishnadevaraya, January 17, 1471 to October 17, 1529, was an emperor of the Vijayanagara Empire reigning from 1509 to 1529. He was the third monarch of the Tulava dynasty, and is considered to be one of the greatest rulers in Indian history.
Okay, this is how it reads. Okay, this is the main concept of a project. Okay, and I can select the
India,
it reads. Okay,
South Korea,
like this. Okay,
United States of America.
that's this word. Okay, now the thing is how it is done. Okay, these are all the things we have seen, right? What I will explain. See here toggle is there. Okay, text reader is there. There one tag. When you click this, we have this close button and we have select button. This is the language selection, computer synthesis library, and read text, and this is text area. Okay, and this green background. Okay, and this is a black background, and we have this column grid column section, okay, written dynamically, and it is coming the colors, and this are transform is the text transform so that it displays in capital, okay? And this is image, okay, this is stored in JSON and done, okay, and this is the normal color, this is the background, okay, this is what, okay, and this is what the things, okay. Let me go back. Okay, now the code you see, yeah, we have these all things, right? Now what I have initially what he does is, see, he does a one data, where this data is a constant data, it has image and text, okay, this text. What he initially does, takes main by query selector main section where we are having this main section, this one, okay, this main section we are having, right? This one is taken here. In the similar way, the voice, text, read, toggle, close. Okay. It is voice, okay, text, read, and toggle. This one, okay, and one more. What was this? Toggle and close. Okay, that close where it is this one close. Okay, these are all taken to. These are since these are IDs we are taking with this. Okay, get element by ID. This is a query selector because it is a div. Okay, this is a main tag. Okay, main tag, the tag, HTML tag. Okay, this is a constant. This images where we are having this images in this folder. See the images India. See, this is the flag. Okay, this is the image. Like this, we are different Japan with all those things. Okay, and this is what index. Okay, like this it was having these details. Text is Australia. This will be converted to text as using capital. So we are getting this like this color. That text are from India like this caps. Okay, it is used in CSS. Okay, and this is now this all this is the data. How much we are on data? See how many countries? There are 48 countries. Okay, see here we are having one, two, three, four, up to four is Japan we are seeing. Okay, or year three, four, and four. This is from year four and Japan and above four. Okay, there are totally eight. Okay, like so, eight are displaying. Now let me explain. See what happens here. Data means this type of data. Dot for each. What are you doing? Looping. What is looping? We are looping in with for each. And this what we are looping. This in create text box. This data we are looping. Where is it? This will be taken as item. And what it creates a box. Okay. How it creates? Well, this is what these boxes these are created. See, for this we are not having any HTML code here. This is the main thing. This section is there. So in this we are creating a create element div. Okay, in that main element it is created div, and what it does, this item is taken to image and text. There are three parts. First, it item is taken into first image, and next part, this part is taken into image, and this part is taken into text from this item. Okay, what is this item? When it loops like that, okay, what is okay, and what happens? Box class add. Okay, this automatically adds a class called box for each one. Okay, for each this HTML element, okay, this country, okay, and what is that box dot inner HTML we are assigning for that with this class and image. What is this? Source is image is coming. In this image is coming and text that alternative text, and this is also info the things text since we are having this we're writing this text. Okay, this text. Okay, now let me see. Yeah, now box dot add event listener. This is a one of the method in add event. It is like to check for click events or what is happening to us. It will load by add event. It's a event listener. Okay, what happens here when you click this set text message text? What is this? This it takes the text. What is this text? This text what is coming here, country, right? Country name, all this thing. It set the text and speak the text. If you click on that, this click event, right? It clicks, okay, and box class will add active. See what happens, it will add the class active.
India,
See active. See,
India,
if you check in the CSS, see now initially let us remove this. Okay, this okay. Now suppose if I click India, okay, let me change. See, now click.
India,
See here, this is a box class added. Okay, click.
India,
See, active class is coming here. If we check here,
India,
it will be coming here. See here, if we check here, it will be added. See,
India.
active, box active. The class is appended. Can like this. So that is what you are doing this active in the active class C in the CSS when it is active, where it is see button active, okay, transform scale, okay, it is transforming, okay, scaling, sorry, can like that. And what happens here? This one. Similarly, we have this text in the speak text. It is speaking. This is what happens in the set text message. We are message is equal to dot text. We are sending the text, the country name. And what happens in the function speak text in the synthesis library, where it is here message, okay, constant message dot text here assigning, and that message we are speaking this synthesis library provided that if you go search this library cmdn reference you can open, okay, this mdn reference, see you can see the this one details, okay, your examples also, this what is does all these things, okay, your example also, see this is an example, okay, if you want you can execute, see this is an example, let us see he is executed in different way, okay, let us see example, right, example, okay, let okay. Okay. You see this one, how this library is written. Whatever is written, let me check. Okay, demo, speech demo. See, isn't is different. Okay, he has given the same text will copy. Okay, let us copy the text. Control V. Okay, let us not take Indonesia. It looks on India. Okay, see. Sorry. Uh, let me stop. Where in this about Krishna River. See, now Krishna River is you can change. Play. It's not ready. Let's go outside. Okay, now let us check India. Okay, let us check once again. Let us load. Now change DMD. Okay, control. Play. Okay, and we can change the pitch also. Let's change. Okay, let's change. It is not like this. It is in this way. It is functions. Okay, that's this one. Okay. Now our code is see the speech synthesizer. Okay, this what speak this message. Okay, that we are seeing how it is ready. Now that drop down is there. No, in our code, what is this drop down? Right? In our code, see this. Let us this. toggle this drop down. No, this all these drop down, these things are done from this get voices. Okay, this is a function for synthesis where it is. Let me tell you the synthesis. Okay, where is this synthesis? Where is this synthesis? This synthesis, right? Here we have get twice. See, get twice. Okay, here it has this function is there already in synthesis library. Okay, the get twice. Okay, events. Okay, functions. Okay, it's a constructor and all these things. Yes. Okay, gateways, all these things. Okay. These are the things. Okay, we can check here in detail. Okay, or else you can, what is this? You can console log also. Here you see I have console log. Okay, now what happens? It sees this one only I console log. See now, see this. Experiment. Okay, now experiment. Okay, console log. See here 22 are this this okay, this listing is okay, clear. Yeah. Okay. Now this one. Okay. This is what I want to show. Gatewise. Okay. Again, it is looped in the same total. Okay. This again it is looped. Okay. What here I was explaining, right? This is converts and box class active and set timeout. Okay. After some time, remove the class active. It is removed after some time. Okay. Then within this time. Okay. And maybe I think it is 8 seconds. Okay, this one main append check the box. Okay, for main, where is this main div? This div append this box. Okay, this HTML element created here, right? This total with class and all those things. This append to the main div. Okay, main this one. Okay, this where main is here. We are selecting here document. Okay, we are doing this. Okay, and again get voice. Okay, this drop down. Okay, this is we have taken the voice select where it is voice. See here is the voice select. Where is this voice select? Where is this category by ID? Voice, this one. See voice where it is, this select. Okay, since we have select option, we have to have inside options like this. Okay, options. Okay, option like this, right? This one, the things like this. Okay, option. Okay, option. Yeah, option like this we have to have option with value and all. Okay, this one. Okay, this one we are doing dynamically. Okay, control. Okay, dynamically we are doing. How this is also the create element. It's a dynamic. We are creating the new or something an element HTML element with option. See, this is created and appended to this voice where we don't we have seen voice. This what, okay, this voice due. Okay, select option. Okay, now in the same way speech synthesis. What is it? This is a speech synthesis dot add even like voice change. Whenever voice changes, get voice. Okay, get voice is a function where it is get voice. See somewhere here get voice. Okay, get voice. Yeah, get voice. With ER, okay, get one. But it takes the the drop down selection and calls this function getWise, and this is what ER. Okay, this is called. Now what happens after change when this text box that will the toggle show we are shown the show and remove. Okay, the text box. What is this text box? Where it is? See now this text box. This text box. Yeah, we have seen the text box here, right? The text box here and this div. Okay, it creates this model kind of thing. Okay, on click toggle show. Okay, then what happens? This see. table toggle this one. Okay, this one. Okay? This one is done. Okay, this one comes. Okay, and click it will show the model. Okay, in that model we have the text area and all those things. Okay, see, again voice select. Okay, automatically change set voice. What is set the voice message equal to message is what synthesis library and voice equal to this is a find method. This is a find. Voice is not find. See here syntax explains what is send. This predicate value will be taken. Then by checking the predicate, return the value of the first element in the array which predicate is true and undefined otherwise. Okay. When it is true, it returns the predicate. What? See, voices with these voices is nothing but what are where these voices. Okay. These voices where we are taking this all voices. Okay. What which is we selected which has a true value, then it will be taken. Here one thing I forgot to tell you. See in the option button we are having creating option button value equal to voice name. Okay, name is the I'll show you the name. See here, voice name is this one. Okay, this in the blue Microsoft David that one. And value equal to this inner text value equal to this one and the option inner text the desktop navigation no the text is voice name plus lang where it is this lang see here if you see this en hyphen u capital U that is the lang okay that you see here what you see here if you go here synthesis say lang okay these are the properties okay these are the properties we have okay? See these are the properties lang okay this one okay? We are having this okay? Like this okay? And these are property so we are taking this property of this object okay voice this is looped after looping voices it will come one element voice in the for that each we are looping and so that we are able to see this many uh, elements. See here, drop down these many elements. Okay. Then now text box. Okay. This text with the event target value. What is event? Okay. This is set voice function. Right? It is change. Set the voice. Okay. Message voice equal to this one. Okay. Then what happens? This event dot target value. What is the event target value? It is nothing but this checks with e until this find function checks with this one. Let me show you. Okay. This one now, if I see the example, okay. Now see here what find one. Find this ID is nothing but this one. Okay. Here what happens? Yes, similarly we have event target value is equal to this, then return the result. What is it? True condition, true or false. Okay. Then y is equal to that one. Y will be message dot y is equal to this. What is true? It will return the y is one. Okay. Return this ID can be there or in this way any one value will be say doesn't be and it returns. Okay. In the similar way, it returns the predicate the see this parameter y is and assigns. Okay. This y is name. Okay. And what happens? Set wise. This function after read button. When you click on the read button, okay, we taken get element. You click, then set the text message. We have already seen the function. The text area dot value will say, and it will the same text will be converted to voice and spoken. Okay, and this one in the speech. What is in the speech text you have already seen? The synthesis library. This one speaks the message. Which message? The voice message here. Okay, the voice message was this one. Okay, this one. This was the code. And we have CSS. The thing see, we have CSS the CSS is see what happens first we have seen the radius curve see this is the body section okay this one okay and black background we have seen and text align center where the heading one we have seen the heading the text align this one the heading okay center okay and what I want to see the container. Okay, this is black color container. We have seen the black container, black color container. And this one. Now the CSS then where the button pointer. Okay, whenever you are pointing the button, you should show pointer and the button is blue. Okay, you see the button is blue. See button is blue. This one pointer. Okay, now where it is now blue text and the background color is blue and our color is white. This is the CSS. Okay, and we have seen that. Now button where it is this button. See the index here read button. See this class. This class applies here. Okay, and transform will be active and you have already seen and focus outline. Then no outline. Suppose if you are making it dotted, let us make dotted. Okay, okay, dotted. Okay, see now dotted. See select when it is focused, the button will become see focus reload. Cannot save now. One minute. Outline. Dotted. See, when you focus clicked, the button is not dotted. Suppose if you remove the outline, now outline control Z, okay, see, okay. See outline order. If you click also, nothing will happen. See, not changing. Border of that time dotted is changed. Now it is not changing. Then similar outline. Okay, that's the main one important only. I will be telling you. Okay, and we have this button display doc will understand. Okay, and this position absolute text box. Okay, this is fixed one. And this transform. Okay, we can understand transform. Also, you can do this transition all in ease out. What happens when you have a click? This what is this text box, right? Where this should pop up, right? Model should create grow one by when you click on slowly it grows like this. Okay, this is what's called transition. Okay, transition from all 1 second to ease in out. Okay, make this one things. Okay, you can read it, you'll understand. Okay, ease in out means go grow easily. And text box show, this is also transform translate minus 50% to 0. Okay, the show when it is show, it is showing minus 50% to 0 means increasing. And text now, text box select. Okay, when you say click select box, that time this one blue. What is this blue? See, this select class, this select is this is the select class. This one, okay, this total. This background is blue and color means this the color of the text is white. See, the color of the text is this color. Okay, white. See, we are seeing color. Okay, in the same way text area we have this color. Okay, this one light in this one color. Okay, and this one we can see the text box button absolute and close. This is the right where it should be. See, this should be right and this is white. Okay, this is text color. Okay, this is what. Okay, the back color is white. The text area. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, see. Okay. And main section we have grid template column. This is a grid section. See, display these things in grid format. Okay, means column wise. Okay, and repeat means per row it should be 4. Okay, and one more thing I want to explain. Per row 4, this is a fraction means 10 pixel or something. Okay, 10 pixel I think. Okay, this you can google it also, you'll get it. I think I have googled already. Yeah. Say this I think repeat it. Okay, this is a CSS. Okay, the grid table, one fraction you can google it, one if type one FR or something. It is the difference between the the column what size it should take. It is same. Okay, now as explaining, yeah, this fraction 4 repeat 4 gap is the 10 px 4. And we have now suppose now what is in the response thing also is adding. See, the max width is 1110, it should repeat 3. When it is 760, it is 2. The grid template, what is it? These should be per row. This should be 3 when the size is 110 and 2 when size is 760. Let us check also. Now go to infect late mobile response. The 6 is 760. Okay, see per two. 2 is there. Repeat 2. Since it is 1 FR, repeat 2 is there. Now let us see for now the 110 See, now 3 are coming. Usually we have per row 4, but when it is size is 110, this means more 3 rows are coming. See, 3 rows are coming. Okay, this was I want to show. Okay, this responsive kind is handled. Okay, and the box info is a text. Okay, text transform the main one uppercase, so it is converting to caps. The thing is this converting caps. Okay, this one text. Okay, text. Right? Rest is image is loaded and other CSS background is blue, all those things. Okay. Here what happens? The background is blue. Now, the background of the text color. See, this text color is blue. Yes, see. And next, yeah, this is what the code. Okay, and we have this JavaScript is the main. Okay, we have create box function and text message and text speaks to text and these things get voice and these things. Okay, these are all written by written in this library. You can go and refer this synthesis class one and you'll understand. And yeah, a couple of examples also to execute. This is what okay. Voice. Okay. It's a property. Okay. Property, okay. Like this, yeah, different. You can try to execute and you can work it out. It's just okay. And more I have seen somewhere I have seen the more, right? Synthesis get voices. Get voices, see, this is a function. Okay, what to say? Like this. Many examples are there. You can try and work. And even if you want to contribute also, you see how you want to contribute. So I was telling no open source contribution. See here, you want to contribute. See, you can contribute here. Sing it out. See, these many issues are there. You can take any issues there. Here clearly labeled. How many labels are there? You see, labels. Take these many labels are there. Okay, you can check and you can take answering, checking the bug and you can depict the issue which is open. Solvent, pick the issues. Okay, labeled clearly labeled here. Pick this, see whether it is still open. See open. Okay, 3 days ago. You can read and you can fix it. Okay, this is how you can do open road contribution. Okay, this is one by one. You can read properly and how we have to contribute. You first learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, try to contribute. Okay, this is what I want to say. Okay, open source contribution again. Okay, I'm ending there.